How to add view shop button on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile. Tap on three lines. Now go to account privacy. Disable the toggle. Go back. Scroll down and find account type and tools. Now click on switch to professional account. Click on continue. Select your category. Tap on done. Now choose any of them. You can also choose business or creator. Now fill up the details and click on next. Tap on skip. Now go back. Tap on three lines. Now go to business tools and controls. Now tap on link profile to shops. And from here you can link your profile to shops. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.